Okay, factorise fully this, so we're going to take out 5 and this is m squared, take away 4p squared. Now, I notice that this is 1m squared and this is 4p squared, and I've got a minus here which indicates that it's a difference. This is a square and this is a square, so this is the difference of two squares. So that means that I can go m take away 2, m take away 2p, should I say, and m plus 2p. Now if you can't remember why that works, I'll just do this over here. M times m would be m squared. M times 2p would be 2mp. Minus 2p times m is minus 2mp. And minus 2p times 2p will be minus 4p squared. And what happens on the difference of two squares is the middle two terms disappear. So those two cancel each other out, just leaving us with this squared term and this squared term here. Given that p equals 15 and this equals 0, using your answer to part A or otherwise work out the values of m. Okay, so I'm going to plug in, I'm going to set this equation up to equal 0 because this is my original expression that I set to equal that. So I'm going to use that. Quite often in these B parts of questions we use the answers to part A, that's why they're there. So this now equals 0, and we've got P equals 15. Now because I've got an equation here, I can start doing things to both sides that hopefully won't affect what goes on in them. So I can divide both sides by 5, for instance. There we are, and then we get rid of that horrible 5 at the beginning. Now P equals 15, so I'm just going to substitute that in. So that will be m take away 30, and m plus 30 equals 0. So if I multiply that out, I get m squared. I'm going to get plus 30m minus 30m and minus 900 equals 0. And you'll see that this middle term is going to cancel out. So m squared take away 900 equals 0 is what I'm left with. So that will mean that m squared equals 900, which means that m is the square root of 900. Now bear in mind that the square root of 900 has got two answers, so we've got plus or minus 30. M equals plus or minus 30.